Hey everybody, this is Larry. I'm doing this problem as part of a contest, so you're gonna watch me live as I go through my dots as I'm coding. There'll be an explanation near the end, and for more context, there'll be a link below on the actual screencast of the contest. How did you do? Let me know how you do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Q1, check if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in a sentence. So this one, it looked pretty straightforward. I thought it was pretty straightforward. So I just implemented it. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, this is just brute force. Let's let's check each word by itself, and then that's pretty much it. I look at each sentence and I look up each word, and for each word, I check whether the search word is the beginning or the prefix of the word, which there's a function in Python for doing it. So this is in that sense, pretty straightforward. I ran examples. I did it zero index. I was like, wait, that is not right. And I just wanted to read to double check that one index is okay, because sometimes it might not be. And I had to read the problem a little bit. As soon as I saw the word one index, I'm okay. But this cost me like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Uh, check if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in the sentence. Um, So this one, the solution is just to brute force it, because the sentence length is at most 100, the search word length is at most 10. So you can actually start by any character and then go and search for the word and it'll be okay. The only tricky part about this is that you have to return the index of the word index. So what I did is I used Python magic and I split the sentence uh, with the spaces. So, and using enumerate, which maps the content of a iterator with like a counter of sorts. Uh, so, so if for each word that is in sentence, if the word starts with the search word, then I just return the ith index. And the only tricky thing that cost me a couple of seconds, which I guess is okay, is that uh, it's one indexed, which I was like when I look at this time I did look at the example test cases, which was a mistake that I did last week by accident. Um, and I was like, okay, everything's off by one. Let me double check that it's one index. And when I saw that was one index, okay, and then I submitted, and there was a case where the word is not in it. So I was like, okay, if it gives -1, then I think I'm okay. So yeah, so that is Q1. Overall, a easy problem. Is it an interview question? I guess it could be. I mean, it's too simple, but it's good practice, good warm up. Definitely recommend it. Complexity, it's O of where n is the sentence and m is equal to search word. Then it's O of n times m. Technically, you could also analyze it in terms of number of words, but it's roughly right. Space, I use only extra space, O of one extra space. So yeah, so that's Q1.